Hey guys, it's me, clearly misunderstood. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today I thought I'd share with you guys a few go-to tips that I have under my sleeve, and these are purely tips that I found on Google. I hope you guys really like this video, and if you guys like it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm not sponsored by the Lipton company, but I personally prefer Lipton green tea. You can use a green tea with flavor too. So basically the first tip that I have is not exactly a mask. It's something that when you have puffy eyes or when you have dark circles, this really helps, and I kid you not. I just like drain out the bags. Oopsie. Place it underneath your eyes. I highly recommend you guys to like lie down and or relax while doing this, because this is gonna keep falling otherwise and you can't keep doing this. I mean, that's... So I'd like to share with you guys 3 2-ingredient masks. Technically toners, but you can't leave them on overnight or you can't leave them on, so I didn't decide to call them toners. So you have lemon and green tea, then you have potato juice and green tea, and finally you have honey. Come on, move. Yeah. Honey and green tea. So first you peel some potatoes for making the potato juice, and then you add them to a mixie, and then you ensure that you add some water, and then you get a smooth paste that you can later drain into potato water. I have to mention that potato water in due time tends to become brown. That's why in the prior video it's brown. Potatoes are known to brighten, tone, and to ward off wrinkles, whereas green tea was medically used for centuries in Asia for its health and skincare benefits, reducing puffy eyes to fighting aging signs. This ingredient is truly a gem. Honey is for soothing, prevents acne, slows down the aging, and gives the complexion a beautiful boost. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and citric acid. It helps brighten and lighten skin to fade dark spots. Apply these with a cotton sponge, reapply one in every 5 minutes thrice, and then you can wash your face once it's done for a beautiful replenishing and pretty much moisturizing, because it's literally in the water form. Pretty masks. I really hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, please stay loved and stay limitless.